Do you want to speak English from scratch but you don't know how to speak? Sometimes you try to speak English but you don't know where to start. Then this video is for you guys. Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are having an amazing day. My name is Ramakant. Welcome back to my channel Learning English Together. In today's video, we're gonna talk about how you can start speaking English from the scratch. There are many people who are good at listening, reading, writing, understanding, but when it comes to speaking in English, they don't know where to start and how to speak. And if you are somebody who wants to speak English and does not know how to start, then you should watch this video till the end. I'm sure that you are gonna get something out of this video. So let's start without any delay. First of all, I would like to share my English journey. How did I start my English journey from the scratch? You know, guys, when I first started speaking in English, I could not speak at all. I could not speak even a single sentence or single word correctly. I made lot of mistakes. I could not understand English at all. As far as I remembered, when I first started speaking in English, I could not understand what is the meaning of where am I from. Now, you could imagine what my level was at that time when I first started speaking this language. Whenever I tried to speak, I made lot of mistakes. I struggled, I felt nervous, uncomfortable, but I did not stop. So, how did I start? You know, guys, when we were born, how did we learn our native language? We learned our native language by listening to our parents, our family members, relatives, and our colleagues, right? After that, we started speaking our native language. At that time also, we were making lot of mistakes when we started speaking our native language, right? We learn from our mistakes because mistakes are the part of our journey. We can't learn anything without making mistakes, right? So I kept on speaking until I became good at English. I'm not an English teacher, I'm just a learner like you guys. I come from a family or a village where no one speaks English. Even in my family members, no one speaks English. But I have a desire to speak English. I have determined it, dedicated towards learning this language. See, guys, when I started speaking English from scratch, I made myself as a kid and started listening to English content, English speeches. I started watching English movies, short films, right? That's how I started understanding the language. When we listen to English content or English speeches or English stories, we understand, we observe how they speak, right? How they are framing a sentence, what words and phrases they are using in a sentence, right? We observe. After that, we start to speak. And when we speak, we make lot of mistakes. Mistakes are part of our journey. We should make. Without making mistakes, no one became fluent in this language, right? So don't worry about your mistakes because no one is perfect. No one is perfect. Everyone makes a mistakes. So you are not special, right? So now how you can start speaking English? First of all, you have to make yourself as a kid. After that, you should listen to English speeches, English story, English cartoons, right? After that, you should speak. When you listen, you observe all the things, how a sentence is formed, what words and phrases they are using, what's their body language, everything. After that, we speak, right? So, when it comes to speaking, you don't know what to speak. Let me explain you guys. Whenever we do any activity on our regular days, on our normal days, we always make it in simple present tense. So, you can start with your day, you can start with your daily routine. Suppose you get up at 6 o'clock in the morning. Don't say it in your native language, say it in your English. You can say, I get up at 6 o'clock in the morning, then I go to washroom to get fresh. Right after that, I go for a walk for half an hour. After that, I come to my room to take a bath, which takes 10 to 15 minutes. Later, I pray to God and have my breakfast. Then I go to office. I do work in the office for 8 hours. At 7 o'clock in the evening, I come to my room. Then I take some rest. Then I go to kitchen to prepare dinner for myself. Right after that, I spend some time with my friends or family members. Later, I take my dinner and go to bed. That's how you can start speaking, guys. I hope you'd get to learn something out of this video. If you do, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I hope you'd get to learn something from this video. If this video motivated you a little bit, then go and keep your mobile phone in a side and start speaking, guys. And if you are somebody who have come to my channel for the first time, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care